Hi, I'm Ashley Morse, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, where we specialize in one-on-one virtual math tutoring for middle school and high school students. And in this video, we're going to look at standard form. We are going to graph from standard form, but we're going to convert it first. So the problem will be in standard form. That's the ax plus by equals c, standard form. And then we're going to convert it to slope-intercept form and graph. So slope-intercept forms, we need to solve for y. And I'm going to go through all the steps. But if you're having trouble with graphing in slope-intercept form and you want more practice, make sure you check out my slope-intercept form video. I also have videos on horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so solve for y and then graph. So going from this ax plus by equals c, that's standard form. We're going to get the y by itself to get the slope and the y-intercept, and then we can graph. So I'm going to zoom in. So we got to get the y by itself. First thing, add the 3x to both sides. We need the x away from the y. I'm going to put the 3x first because slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, so we want the x to come before the b. Divide everything by 2. So 3/4 x plus 2, plus 4. That's what y equals. My slope is the number in front, and my y-intercept is the b, the number at the end. Y equals mx plus b. So we're going to go up to 4 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do our slope. Count up and over. Rise 3, run 2. Rise 3, run 2. You can also go down and left. Make them both negative. Down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. And then let's see if I can connect the lines. You should be using a straight edge. It's kind of hard on a computer. Oh, that point was off. Oh, I'm so glad I did another point up to. It didn't quite fit, so I thought I counted wrong, which is why you should use a straight edge. But the light tool on this and I are not always friends. So there we go. Let's look at this one. Let's solve for y and then graph. Move the x stuff. So we're going to subtract 9x. Put the x first so we can get that slope. Divide everything by 4. Y equals negative 9 over 4x minus 5. So here's my slope, here's my b. So I'm going to start out by going down to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rise over run gets a little tricky sometimes when it's a negative. So you can rise 9 and go left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also go down 9 and right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's going to be a little tricky because it's so far apart. But let's see if I can get a mostly straight line. Try to use a straight edge when you're graphing these yourself. And that way you'll know if your point is off or not. All right, solve for y and then graph. So subtract 4x. X goes first. Divide everything by 5. Y-intercept is 3. Go up to 3. Rise over run. So I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative slopes. Got to go downhill. Ooh, that's not very straight. Let's try that again. Okay, I want you to pause here and do this one. And then we'll do it together. Okay, you paused, right? You tried it on your own? All right, so let's get that y by itself. 9y equals negative 3x plus 18. Divide by 9. I'm going to write this over here so I have space to graph. Negative 1/3 when I reduce it, x plus 2. So go up to 2. And then go up 3 left, up 1 left 3. Go down 1 right 3. And then connect my dots. I like to get at least 3 dots. You only need 2, but having 3 or more helps in case one of them's off. Like the very first one I did, the more dots you have and the straight edge you use, it's more likely you'll find a mistake if you counted wrong somewhere. All right, so that's it for this. Here's a little note though. This method is great when you have a y-intercept that is an integer, meaning not a decimal or a fraction. If it's a decimal or fraction, this is not the best method because it's going to be really super hard to get accurate. That's okay. You're just going to have to get as close as you can, like 3.5. You're just going to have to go as close to 3.5 as you can get. So just be aware that this is not always the best method, but just do the best you can, right? You're just going to have to get as accurate as you can. And also, y equals 2, that's a horizontal line. Y, horizontal. X equals 3, that's a vertical line. Horizontal is a Y, like the horizon, and vertical is straight up and down. And I have videos on horizontal and vertical, so make sure you check those out too. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, sign up for notifications, all those great things so that you know when more videos come out. If you need more practice, please make sure you download the worksheet that goes with this, and it has the questions and answers so you can check your work. I hope that helps. Bye!